Why does my car AC smell? Here's how to fix it. Ever turned on your car's air conditioner and got hit with a musty or moldy smell? You're not alone, and good news, it's fixable. Common causes of AC odor. 1. Mold in the evaporator. Moisture builds up inside the AC system's evaporator. In a dark, humid environment, mold and bacteria thrive, causing bad smells. 2. Dirty or old cabin filter. If your cabin air filter is full of dust, pollen, or bacteria, it will start to stink. 3. Dirty air intake. Leaves or debris near the outside air intake can rot and send bad smells into the cabin. There are best ways to get rid of the smell. 1. Change the cabin filter. Recommend replacing it at approximately 12 months, or 15,000 to 20,000 kilometers. 2. Clean the evaporator. Get a professional AC cleaning at a mechanic shop. This is the most effective long-term solution. 3. Use an AC disinfectant spray. Spray into vents or filters for a quick fix. Not a long-term solution, but it helps. 4. Turn off AC before stopping. Switch off AC 2 to 3 minutes before parking. Use fan only, it dries out moisture and prevents mold. What not to do. Don't just use air fresheners. They cover the smell, not remove it. Don't clean only the vents, the real problem is deeper inside. Final tip. To keep your car fresh. Clean, replace, change AC habits, no more smell. Say goodbye to the frustrating odors in your car's AC system. By utilizing the best practices for maintenance, you can easily eliminate those pesky smells for good. Remember, avoiding quick fixes like air fresheners and focusing on comprehensive cleaning methods will effectively solve the root cause of the issue. With these simple yet effective tips, you can enjoy a clean and odor-free driving experience every time you hit the road. Keep your car smelling fresh by following these easy steps, and say goodbye to unwanted odors in your beloved vehicle.